Hi everyone, I'm Ali and today I'll be doing something new. I'll be doing a swipe and then I'm going to try out with some water, spraying some water on it and seeing what it does. So we're going to get into it. I've got the paints I'm going to be using today as a blue. This is actually, where's this one from? Aldis. I've got a heap from Aldis paints. So nice blue, gold, metallic gold. This one's like a rose colour. So those two there, they're the Eraldo, I think they are, colours. We've got a black and a white. They're also the same brand as well. Okay, so I'm going to go in. Also, canvas. Actually, the canvas that I'm using today is a Kmart one. This one says that it's a 50 centimetre by 40 centimetre size canvas. Already gone and put my pins on the bottom there so it raises up off the table. So I'm going to put my gloves on and then we'll go in and put the base colour down and start the process. So I'm just going to put a white all over the base of it, like I said, not running. I'll go ahead and do the process and yeah, you just watch. So I think it might be too plain up here. I might do a nice thick colour along there. I might do like a black along there and then drip it out. is where I'm going to go in and try not to obviously drip that down too much, but I want to go in and wet it, this bottom bit a bit more to see if it will drip it down. I don't know, just trying something different. Like I said though, I don't want this to mess up. It didn't really work, but we tried it. Left in lots of bludgies. Okay, I'm going to go in now with the heat gun. Alright, I'm going to leave it. Something different. Just here to try things out. So I gave this thing going, and then I also sprayed it with water. So I don't know, it's different. I quite like it. I'm gonna leave it to dry, see what happens once it's dry. Hopefully it creates more cells going through here. Yeah, so thank you for watching, and please subscribe. It's free. Do that, that'll be great. And yeah, just keep watching my videos, and I will see you next time. Right, thank you.